PurposefulNudge introduces the new entry-level opportunity, the AI Edge, auditing your career for the agentic era. How to build an AI-proof career where human interaction adds value.
The timeline where you get paid strictly to execute repetitive, manual corporate tasks has officially closed for good. Artificial intelligence has migrated from remote cloud servers to your work laptop. These autonomous agents reason, access approved local files, and execute multi-step workflows on your behalf. Employees are already moving much faster than policy. Recent data shows that 76% of workers have introduced unmanaged AI tools into their daily tasks, creating a massive, unaddressed operational risk for their employers. To navigate this transition, you must audit your career. Open a notebook or a spreadsheet right now and list the 5 tasks you spend the most time on every day. Ignoring this massive shift guarantees your obsolescence. Mapping your workflows transforms you from a replaceable executor into an essential digital leader. Look at your list of 5 tasks. Circle any item that involves routine data entry, basic compilation, or standard repeatable troubleshooting. These circled items are being repatriated to the machine. Your future value lies in becoming an edge orchestrator, governing and distributing the local AI agents that perform the work rather than performing the outputs yourself. As this diagram illustrates, the traditional worker on the left remains frantic, manually clicking through software notes. The edge orchestrator acts as a central hub, calmly routing instructions and monitoring multiple automated flows simultaneously. By running these orchestration workloads on local edge devices, you eliminate cloud latency and protect sensitive company data from public exposure. Go back to your list. Next to every circled item, write the words automate and orchestrate. Enterprises now face a critical gap between informal AI adoption and managed operational risk. By claiming the orchestrator role, you provide the governance required to scale safely, centering yourself in the organization's long-term technology roadmap. Now, direct your attention to the tasks you left uncircled. These represent the empathy economy. This is the domain of ambiguous problems and nuanced human interaction, the specific areas where localized AI lacks the necessary judgment. As psychologist Daniel Golinin's research suggests, empathy is a core predictor of effectiveness in high-stress environments. Here, emotional intelligence acts as a direct performance multiplier. Score your uncircled tasks from 1 to 5, based strictly on the required level of complex judgment and emotional de-escalation. Professionals who consistently score 4s and 5s are confidence architects. AI models can predict a system failure, but it takes a human to read a room, calm an anxious stakeholder, and build trust when a plan fails. Algorithms are efficient at triaging data, but securing long-term client loyalty requires the emotional reassurance that only human confidence architects can deliver. Step 3 of the audit requires you to evaluate your tools. Write down the top 3 software applications you rely on to execute your highest scoring tasks. We evaluate these tools against 3 criteria. Do they empower the user, enable autonomous agents, and support emotional intelligence? This grid maps your operational reality. Automation potential is the x-axis, human empathy the y-axis. Routine data reporting falls into the bottom right, high automation, low empathy. Complex client strategy maps to the top left, high empathy, low automation. Utilizing legacy software tools that trap you in administrative menus creates technical debt, strangling both your automation potential and capacity for human empathy. Your audit is now complete. The items you circled are your new automation portfolio. The high empathy tasks you scored are your premium market value. The mandate for your career is clear. Stop trying to outcompute the machine and focus entirely on engineering the human experience. Take this completed audit directly to leadership. Show them you are ready for the agentic workplace by mastering these 3 pillars: orchestrate the edge, engineer empathy, and audit the stack. As local computing power becomes infinite, computation itself becomes a commodity. In this future, authentic human trust will be the most scarce and highly compensated asset in the enterprise.
For more insights, subscribe to PurposefulNudge and start rewiring your field services organization today.